What's up, warriors? Welcome to another day on the Bitcoin price. It is Monday. I hope you guys are happy, excited, ready to rock and roll, and ready to make some good paper profits. All right, so let's take a look at what's happening here on the Bitcoin price. Okay, now I deleted everything from the charts just to start fresh and brand new so you guys can see what's going on. As you can see from this top here, this is the all-time highs, okay? And then since then we have, come down pretty significantly. If we look at the numbers here, has been around a 52% or so, okay? That is massive, right? Now, from there, what you want to do is say, okay, where are some the most resistance and support levels, right? Definitely, as you can see, we have some here. Okay. Oh, there you go. Bam. That's one right there. Then you have this other section right here. Okay. Then you can kind of see another one, kind of like right here. Actually, this is a big one here. Okay. So let me talk to you about this one right here. All right. I don't want to put too much and then just make the chart very cluttered. Okay. So now, from here, as you can see, we came to this section here, right, around the 48,000 to 47,000 area. And look what happened here. We were ranging in here on December for a while, okay? And look, we try to come up to this section and we end up getting rejected, okay? So this is why you always want to look to the left of the chart on a high time frame so you can see what has been happening a while back, right? Now, if it's a brand new coin or stock, you're not gonna have this kind of data, but for Bitcoin, you do. And as you can see, if you would just look back, you can say, okay, wait a minute, we were here on the range for a long time, right? We were actually here from the 4th of December or so to around the 5th of January, so about a month, okay, of just sideways range here, okay? And then from there, as you can see, we did try to come back once. We just end up dropping from there. From there, we did try to come back up around the 7th of February. Then again, around the 10th or so, we ended up getting rejected. We did come back up around the 2nd of March and we ended up getting rejected. Okay, so now we did try to break it here. Okay, the issue is that there's a lot of resistance. As you can see, look at all this, right? There's a lot of resistance right here. Okay, and then look at this. We came here trying to break through these levels and we end up getting rejected. Okay, so now what's happening is that we're starting to come back down. Right now, of course, anything can change and we can start moving back up again, but for right now, as you can see, we did try to break through it. We end up getting rejected. We did try it again and then getting rejected. We did try it one more time and then they're getting rejected. So now the main thing is what's going to happen, right? Personally, to me, if we cannot break around that 48,200 section, we might see us coming back down to around that 44 to 45,000, which we are right now, 45,700. And from there, if we cannot hold this level, I can actually see us coming back down to around that 39,000 or so. Okay, because as you can see, there's really not that much support here. Yes, there is certain levels like point of controls, value area highs, and stuff like that, but it's not like a massive support section. But as you can see, look at this here, we were in a sideways range here for a while, and also over here, right? So that means that we do have some nice support here, okay, around that 40,000 to 39,000 section, maybe even 38,000. So if we do start breaking down from here, we might do something like this, but then we might actually come down to the section and you start trading here until Bitcoin either figures out we can have another another run up to around that 48,000 again and try to break through this section so then we can reach the 50 to 52,000 area. If not, then we're gonna come down and try to come back down to around that 36,000 to 34,000 where we had that dump when all that news was going crazy just a couple of weeks ago, right? So this is the reason why you always gotta have a bullish and a bearish scenario. Personally, for me, if we cannot break this section here, then I can see us going back down. And if we do start coming back down, then I see us coming around that 39,000 to 40,000 section. If we can break this level, then I can actually see us going back to around that 52,000 or so, okay, before we can even break up to around that 48,000 to 60,000 area, okay. So that's just something simple, right quick. You just have to understand it. You have to have different levels in there. This is a very quick example. It's not really technical too much. I just drew some lines here, and as you can see also right here, let me show you. There's another level right here. Okay, that's a lot of resistance. Okay, I mean support, excuse me. Okay, and then from there you also have right here. Okay, so let me just show you. Bam. Okay, so I mean, of course, this is big ranges, right? You have to kind of understand and do a little bit more research if there's any point of controls there, value area highs, value area lows. Is there any other resistance like monthlies, weeklies, and dailies? And that will give you a better information on that. I cannot share all the other extra information on these videos because of course it's free. That's only for my pay members. But I'm just letting you see some of the information here, which is I can see major support around the 39,000 to 40,000. If we break that, then there's another support around the 35,000 to 34. But if we break that, then of course we're gonna continue going down. But right now you don't even need to worry about this. Okay, that's the other thing that I want to make sure that you guys understand. Don't worry about this right now. We're not there. Okay, we are right here right now. Okay, and if we zoom into this section, all right, let me just make sure we have it here. If we zoom into this, you need to understand that this is where we at right now, right? From here, you need to just worry about this section, okay? If we do come back down to this here, I mean, we could bounce from any of these levels, right? But it's not like a major support area. So this is why you need to understand that it's like you could have a bounce, but most likely if you get some nice little volume going in there, most likely we are going to come back down to around that 39,000 to 40,000 zone, right? So, and if you are able to break this section with some nice volume, then yes, you can see us going back down to the going back up to the 50 to 52,000 area. But you need to have some volume, right? Because you also have levels around these sections, okay? And those are resistance, right? That's the main thing that you need to understand. When you have gone up, a good amount, you need to understand that you cannot be looking for longs there no more. Now you're looking for shorts. And when you have dropped a significant amount, you cannot be looking for shorts anymore. You need to be looking for longs. If you can just switch that mindset, you're going to be a more profitable trader. Of course, this is not financial advice. This is just for educational purpose only. I am not a financial advisor, okay? So from there, that's all we have here. In reality, nothing much has really changed. We did have a nice little drop here, and then now we did try to come back up. But as you can see, we were not able to take these highs, okay? We actually got below that. So, most likely we'll probably start, ranging around here until we start either dumping down, or we can hopefully try to do another test at the 48,000 and try to break that so we can move back up. All right. So that's it for this Bitcoin price, fast and sweet. I did want to show you guys something else. I will be making a new video around this. The reason why I stopped making the videos for the program was because, as you can see, Bitsgap did create a new section, okay? This is the old section, okay? This is what everybody was used to. But if you click on this, you have 3 new bots, okay? And each bot has a certain section. So in the future, Bitsgap is gonna take away all these bots here, these settings, and they're gonna just use the new settings. So this is why now we are recreating the first 2 modules that we had recorded. We deleted those and just created this new section here because this is what it's gonna move to. So might as well give you the up-to-date advanced version on this, okay? And let me just show you real fast. As you can see, you can do grid bot here. Then you have 3 versions, right? You have fiat excuse me, flat, buy the dip, custom. Now, buy the dip, I have not tried it. I will, try this. In reality, basically, you can make more Bitcoin as it gets cheaper. Then you hodl, you do not sell it, which is amazing. I think I would try that. Okay, then you also have custom and flat. All right. From there, you have a combo bot, but I think you do need, I think it's either Binance or KuCoin for this. And then you have a Scalper bot, which is free, high time frame bot for the ultra fast and small and steady gains. I have not really tried this. And the reason for that is because if you're not making that much profits, right, small gains, and then the fees alone, it might eat up all those gains. So I will try it out. I'm gonna see. But realistically, the ones that I'm more interested in is the grid bot here and then the custom. Okay, from the custom, as you can see, you have these sections. Okay, I did stop some of my bots because I did see that we were going to drop down, and I did not want to be in a stage where, let's say, Bitcoin dumps to 39,000, and then my bots are out of range and stuff like that. This is something that I will be teaching in the program. Also, for the monthly membership that people will join, I will be giving you my levels and my ranges to make sure, like, hey, we are super resistance. Maybe stop your bots now. Wait till they come back down to support and restart them. So in reality, you're never really out of range unless you just let them go. Then that's fine. Okay, but this is the reasons why you need to be on top of this. So there's different kind of bots. There's the bots there's like you set and forget it. You put super wide range and settings, and you just let them go. That's fine, but it's not gonna make you that much money. But it will be trading on back and forth. If they do go out of range, well, then you just wait until they come back. Personally, I don't like that kind of style because I don't know if the price ever is going to come back to those prices, and I want to make sure that I protect my capital. That's rule number one as a trader. Okay, and then I have another bot that is like a daily bot, which is making you massive amounts of profits, but you do need to be careful because you don't want it to dump down and then you're out of range and then you have a lot of money stuck in there. So those are the things that I will be showing you guys in the program, so don't worry. But if you guys want my ranges every week to make sure, like, hey, this is where major resistance is, this is where major support is, and all this stuff, and I may be giving you that for Bitcoins and maybe some of the altcoins, well, that's going to be a membership fee, okay? But you're going to love it because you're always going to be up to date on everything that is happening, all right? Now, the other thing that I like about this new section, as you can see, is that you can make either US dollars or you can make the coin that you're trading with, okay, as in your profit, right? Which is amazing. If you don't want to make dollars, you can make more of the coin, which is basically, it's kind of like you have your own mining rig here, all right? And I will be testing all of these things out so I can be showing you guys everything in the program, okay, step by step, every single process that I'm doing, the best settings and all of that good stuff. All right, so I just wanted to give you guys this quick up-to-date video. It's Monday. Super excited to start trading. Remember to always have a bullish and a bearish trading plan. And when you see the reaction, you take massive action. Rule number one, always protect your capital. Okay. And then from there, always have fun, enjoy yourself, and let's live life to the fullest. All right. So make sure that if you're not a member, subscribe to my channel. Make sure that you like this video. It really does help me out with the algorithm. And if you have any comments, please write them below and I will respond back to you. I hope you have a wonderful day. I will see you in the next video. And remember, let the profits come to you.